Another problem that we've solved is using smart screens as you know it. Putting your pen on the screen never is accurate. If you draw the line, there is a bit of latency, right? So this is what we've done. We've created a solution called zero gap technology. The inner layer of the screen and the outer layer of the screen are mapped so close together that it has a zero gap. Technically speaking, that's very innovative, but what it really solves is the idea that you're writing on paper. With a solution like this, it really feels like you're writing on paper.
Really?
Absolutely. Would you
Can
like
we
to try
try
it?
it?
All right,
Yes.
then this is what we do. I get a piece of paper,
Yep.
I hold it here, I take a pen myself, a regular pen, a white paper pen, you know, ink, and you take one of the smartboard pens.
This one?
And we just draw a line in the same speed, and we see if there is a bit of latency.
Ah, okay.
Let's
We'll
do
try.
that. So, piece of paper, thank you. Here we go. I click on the whiteboard function. This is the whiteboard function. Ready?
Yeah.
I follow your lead. So whatever line you draw, I draw too.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Here we go. How's that, huh?
Yeah.
How is that for zero latency?
So smooth.
How is that for a feeling of writing on paper?
Yes.
Very much on paper.
Yeah, it's just like writing on a real paper.
Very much, very much. So this means now we have a very intuitive way of teaching and learning.